Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I am your English grammar educator, and today we are going to start with the chapter number 4 of your English grammar book. So, let us start by reading this chapter and understanding a few things. The name of the chapter is Compound Words Vocabulary. Okay, so let's start. A compound word is formed by joining two or more smaller words to create a new word with a unique meaning. So, what are we saying? We are saying a compound word is formed by joining. Like we are writing two smaller words together, and then it is giving a complete sense. Okay. Types of compound words. There are three main types. What are those? They are closed, hyphen, open compound sentences. Okay, closed compound sentences, hyphened compound sentences, and open compound sentences. We'll study about each of them now. Closed compound words are joined with no space between them. Okay, so what are closed compound words? We do not give space between the letters of these words. Okay, so we join the two words like notebook, which is made of note plus book. We didn't leave a gap in between now, so that is why it became a closed compound sentence. Then we have football, foot plus ball, it became football. Bedroom, bed plus room became bedroom. Okay, then the second type is hyphen sentences. What we do in hyphen sentences, we add a hyphen mark between the words. Hyphen compound words are joined with a hyphen between them. Okay, there is a hyphen between them. These words are sometimes used as compound adjectives. These words are sometimes also used as compound adjectives, like mother-in-law. So here, mother in and law. These are three separate words, but they came together and now they give a completely different sense. Well known, 2 year old. So 2 year and old also are different words, just like well known. Okay, so these words are joined by a hyphen. The last is open compound words. So what are open compound words? There is a gap between the two words, but it is one only. Open compound words are written with a space between them but used together as one idea. Okay, so they represent one idea like post office. So the post office, both the words are giving the imagery of a single building only. Whenever I say a post office, you'll imagine this building where you can post letters. Okay. For example, ice cream, post office, living room. Okay. These are some words which are the example. When I say ice cream, you will imagine ice cream. You will not separately imagine ice cubes and a box of cream. When I say ice cream, it is a single word. For example, a greenhouse is a glass structure for growing plants, while a greenhouse is just means the house that is green. So, greenhouse is a glass structure. It is a tomb-like structure, and in this structure, you can grow plants. When we say greenhouse, green space house, then it just means that there is a house which is green. So it can be a little tricky sometimes, so you have to be careful. How can we form compound words? Compound words are made by combining different parts of speech. So we have to combine different parts of speech. Let's look at some examples. Common combination. What are the common combination or the common types of part of speech that we join? Noun plus noun. We join two nouns to form a compound word, like compound words formed by combining two nouns. Sun, flower. So both sun and flowers are noun and we combine them to make sunflower. Police, women. Both are nouns, police woman. Foot plus ball, football. Okay, so you're not imagining a ball and a foot separately here. Okay, this is a single word. Compound words formed by combining a noun or a verb. So when we combine a noun and a verb, How can we do that? Sun, rise. So sun and rise. Rise is a verb and sun is a noun, right? Rise, what does rise mean? Rise means to go above. Rain drops. Rain drop. Drop is a verb because something is falling, so we call it drop. Hair cut. Cut is a noun, verb, and hair is a noun. So you can see compound words formed by combining a verb and a noun. So we can also put a verb first and then it will be followed by a noun like note, book is a noun. Break, fast. Break is a verb, fast is a noun. Post, man. Word plus preposition. So sometimes we use a verb and a preposition together. Compound words formed by combining a verb and a preposition. How do we do that? Check out. So here check is a verb and out is a preposition. Shut is a verb and down is a preposition, which means shut down. Break up. So up is a preposition, break is a verb. Take away. Take is a verb and away is a preposition. So we can also have preposition plus verbs. How? Compound words formed by combining preposition and a verb. So in is a preposition, put is a noun. Under is a preposition, stand is a noun. Over is a preposition, throw is a verb. Sorry, I said noun, I guess. So both all the circle parts, these are verbs. Okay. Noun plus adjectives. Now, how do we do that? Wire, less. So, wire is a noun and less is a adjective. Life, noun. Long is the adjective. World is a noun and wide is an adjective. So, what does these words become? Wireless, lifelong, worldwide. Okay. Adjectives plus noun. Now, what are adjectives plus noun? Like the blacksmith. So, black here is the adjective and smith is the noun. House is the adjective. Sorry, house is the noun. Green is the adjective. And here, super is the adjective and hero is the noun. Blacksmith, greenhouse, superhero. Okay, all these words are there. Gerund plus noun. So sometimes there we have gerund and a noun. So like living, guarantor and room is a noun. Similarly, swimming pool, swimming is a gerund and pool is a noun. Likewise, noun plus gerund. Air conditioning. So air is a noun and conditioning is a gerund. Sight is a noun and seeing is a gerund. Okay? Sightseeing, when friends go to see a place. Driving is left driving here. So driving was driving is your gerund and license is your noun. Okay? And here brain is your noun and storming is your gerund. Okay? Is that clear? Now we have the last type, which is preposition plus noun. Back is the preposition, ground is the noun, background. For, for means forward. So for is the preposition, head is the noun, becomes forehead. Up is the preposition, stair is the noun. Okay, upstairs when we go up. Okay, so now let's do the exercise part of this. Use suitable compound words to complete the sentences. Now you have to use the compound words and complete the sentences. My dash is my mother's mom. My grandmother. They scored 56 points in the dash game. So what you can write here? In the football game, the dash said there was a chance of rain today. Weather forecast. Dash is my favorite pink, juicy, and delicious fruit. Which fruit is pink, juicy, and delicious? Strawberry. See, all these words are easy. Sometimes I dash when I should be doing my work. What do you do when you should be doing your work? Um, so here you can write sometimes I doze off when I should be doing my work. I took a shower and used a dash to clean myself. What you can use to clean yourself? And use the body wash. My parents make us use the dash to walk to the school. Footpath. We roasted the dash seeds after the plants were grown. We roasted the, we can say chickpea also. Okay, we have done these many examples. The rest you can do on your own. So that was it for this chapter. I hope the chapter of compound words was clear to you. Now I'll meet you in the next video with the next chapter. Until then, you have to take very good care of yourself and keep learning and keep growing kids. Thank you.